my little beauties. I am so excited to tell you what's coming. This box here and that one especially. This one, oh dear me, look at this. Anyway, let's do this one first. The Ace Tap and Die set from Worcester, Massachusetts, USA. Yeah. Look at this. This is the metric now. This is as good a set as you'll find, as considering the age and what it is, right? So the handle's got the ace on it. Do you see there? The handle's got the ace on it. The tab handle. This handle here, the die handle, I should say, that's got the ace on it. Can you see the ace there? Each and every one of these has the ace on it. Ace, 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 ace. So now here comes the problems. Has this got an ace on it? Yeah. Woo! That's got an ace on it. So has this one got an ace on it? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's got an ace on it. We're getting there, we're getting there. Has this one got an ace on it? Let's have a look. Yeah, ace, that's an ace on it. Now I know this one isn't, but this says something slightly different, right? R&W company. Anyway, there's that one there. Has this little one up the top here, has that got an ace on it? Yep, that's got an ace on it. So we've done that side. Let's go over here. What have we got here? Has this one got an ace on it? I think it did. Yeah, that's got an ace on it. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Has this got an ace on it? No, that one didn't. Okay. So we've got one there that hasn't got an ace on it. I don't think that one's got an ace on it. But I think this one has up here. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's got the ace on it. That's as good a set as you hope to find. Trying to find them complete. Can't find them with all in. They're a working set. Of the age they are. That's as good a find you can expect. To be honest, that's way better than you can expect to find. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. In a good solid oak box. Right. So we've got one more. Oh! I'm so excited about this one. I'm so excited. It's the wrong way around. Hold on. I'm so excited about this one. Look at this one. Now, by the way, the letters here. That deserves to be in the boardroom in HP Source, doesn't it? In a frame in the boardroom in HP Source. That does. How do you get this to people like that? And how do you get the true value out of it? 1928, blimey. Right. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, look, it's got this. It's got the little catch on it. Are you ready? Get ready to be amazed. Look at this. Look at this complete set. Absolutely beautiful. That's a screwdriver. It even says it's got a screwdriver in there. It's complete. Absolutely complete. Made in England. The Reliable box. No. There. There, look. Look at this. With the label. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this. It's got the extension on it. So we went looking in the 19, what did we see? We went to the 1935 book and we found the very same set. This set there is that set there in the book. 1935, look. See, there's the screwdriver bit. And there's this, there's the screwdriver bit. There's this, whatever that's called, whatever that does. It's called a pressure piece or whatever it is. Yeah. So there's those two pieces there, look. Anyway, 1935. So I thought, I wonder if it's in the 1930 book. So we look in the 1930 Buck and Hickman book, and here she blows. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely fantastic. Here she is. That there is that there in the flesh. Unfindable. You just, you just cannot find them. Just cannot find them. Absolutely brilliant. And you see, now my question is, made in England, the ferret is here, and we've got a ferret set, haven't we? And we've got the Apollo box spanners. We found a few Apollo. This Reliable, was that the same firm trading under a different name? Apollo and ferret were connected. Was this connected, or was this competition? But these books are fantastic, because if you want to try and date something, you just dig out the book, find the date on the book, and then find the actual item. Look at that. Huge A-joint. I am absolutely over the moon. I've never seen one of those before. Well, these box spanners, I mean, we never really sort of followed these box spanners. I found out afterwards, I thought they were like long reach, but what it is an extension. That is an extension. That's an extension. Absolutely over the moon. Absolutely over the moon. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And the box, the box and the catch. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe we can find this stuff. Unfindable. You can't find this stuff. No. Look at this. The Midlands Vinegar Company. Do you know, I think there's exists, isn't there a...
No, Manor Vinegar Company.
Manor Vinegar, yeah. That's what I'm thinking of, Manor Vinegar.
That's the Midland.
Look at that HP sauce. Oh. So, come on. Have we got a date? Have we got a date? Have we got a date? Ooh! 16th of November, 1928. Blimey.
Nearly 100 years out, that isn't looking good, Nick, it's in.
Unbelievable. There's been some sort of a dispute. We are in receipt of your letter and note your remarks regarding the October 27th invoice made out to Mr. G.A. Clark, and are taking the matter up with him. Oh, right. So we want to see you in the office, Mr. G.A. Clark.
He's pushing up the dice, isn't he?
You ain't going to get an answer to this letter. Kidderminster, look. Kidderminster. Look at this. Oh, they're irreplaceable. You just cannot find them. But Tone, you find them, don't you? Tone finds them. Right, here we go. Thomas Corbett, Shrewsbury. Let's go forward. Let's go So that drives that, which turns this and puts the seeds in, and then you can, as you're going along, you tip that in, look, tip that in the little funnel in the ground. Blimey. Times 2. Look at these beauties. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.